let's look at this Java video and look at creating a bank system or a bank app. Um, we'll start off by building a bank account and some subclasses, checking account, savings account, and then some testing. Testing might have to be another video if we do testing at all. I'm trying to stay under 10 minutes for this video. So let's start by creating our abstract class bank account .java. All right, this will be an abstract class. All right, so an account will have an account number, which we'll make private, a long account number, and we'll create another one along. Well, actually, it'll be a double, and it has a balance. Okay. Let's go ahead and create the constructor for bank account. All right, now the bank account, it's going to start off with a 0 balance. And then we do need to come up with an account number. In order to do that, we're going to be using the math random method to help us do that. And we need a range that we want to give the account numbers. So we'll stick between 1 million and 999,999,999. So let's set up some max and minimums for that. Okay, because we might want to change that later. So we'll set up a minimum. Go back and correct this. All right, and then we're going to set up a long max for 999999. All right. Let's save this like that. All right, so next we're gonna have a function that helps us create this account number. All right, that doesn't exist yet, but we know we're gonna call it once we create it. So this is where that happens inside the constructor. All right, that'll be the end of constructor. Now let's create this private void create account number method that will help us set our account number, which will be a long. All right, so we're going to call it math random, times that by the max minus the minimum plus the minimum. All right. Now what do we need to do next? We need to create a method to get our account number. So let's create that protected because we want the subclasses to have access to that. So let's go ahead and do that. It returns a long get account number, and we simply return this dot account number. Okay, another thing that bank accounts do is they have deposits and withdrawals. So let's go ahead and add those methods. So protected, we're going to do the deposit one first. So we're going to deposit. All right, we want the deposit amount, and we need to check that the deposit is non-negative. So if the deposit amount is less than 0, we're going to throw a new illegal argument exception. Otherwise, what we'll just do is we'll take this balance and add to it with plus and equals the deposit amount. Okay, and then we will return true. All right, so next up we'll work on our withdraw method. Again, protected. We're going to return the withdraw amount. We'll call it withdraw. It's a double. This is our desired withdraw. Amount. Okay. We also need to make sure that there's enough balance in the account to be able to withdraw that amount. So if this dot balance is greater than or equal to the withdraw amount, let's go ahead and take this balance and subtract what we are withdrawing from it. Okay, and we will return the withdrawn amount. Okay, if there isn't enough money, right, then we're going to throw an exception again, illegal argument exception. All right. I think we probably need to add one more function here, and that would be in case we need to call to get the account balance. So let's go ahead and add that. Protected double get account balance. Return this balance. Alright, so that's the creation of our bank account abstract class. I think we're going to have to do another video to demonstrate the inheritance for the checking and savings accounts and to do the testing on them. So for now, just review this quickly here. Okay, so we have our abstract class bank account. We used some constants here, which we can actually use final keywords for, because we don't want those changing. Not yet anyways. Okay, we have our account numbers. We have the constructor, deposit, withdraw, get account balance, get account number, create an account number. Alright, so we'll stop this here for now. Okay,